It's the weirdest thing. I'm sure there's two things completely unrelated. I got a weird email saying we attempted to Google you won't see blah blah blah. And I told Leslie because she said my husband said the message to my phone. Why would you have a parcel delivered tomorrow? I haven't. But I got this weird message. The lady, I was considering
yeah, same. Right, you got enough hands for the rest of
went to, it was supposed to have Christmas Day at the gallery, but Caroline's dad got cancer and I kind of like pushed it and I said, you know what, Christmas Day with your mum and dad, I'd always like last minute, and you might have to us down, but you know what, they say, Dad, oh, you're not old, one's Christmas forward, and you got there to her mum and dad's Christmas forward as well. So we done that. Christmas morning, I said to my dad, I said, let's have breakfast at 9, and you and go down to the so we can get down here, we can get down. It's 2 hours for Christmas, is busy on the road, and we got down here. I went to the loo Right, sorry, 11 to 2. Anyway, I went to the loo, halfway was cold, and was on my way, and so I he went after you again. Storyboard, as in storyboard's dad. Just over there. So, really, when they were together, my dad, they were sitting there. Johnny Board used to come in with his daughter and son-in-law, sit down there, and you've got to so we could play the game there. So, Johnny Board. And when he sat there, I said, now I know who he is. What his name is called. Educational presenter in the same way and the leader presenter is educational, hands-on show, hands-on but he's really old. No, he's not really old. He looks a little old.